Distinguished guests, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, today we are joyfully gathered here to celebrate the opening of the 129th Canton Fair. It's our great pleasure to have such an opportunity to communicate with you online about our solar energy products and home appliances accessories. I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all the distinguished guests. So first of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Kathy. Nice to meet you, everyone.
My name is Sandy. Nice to meet you.
My name is Amanda. Nice to meet you too.
Yes, on the first day of Canton Fair, we would like to introduce about our factory and make popular products.
And we will invite everyone to visit our sample room. Our office is in Guangzhou. There is a big sample room expecting solar energy and all appliance accessories here, and we will show you later.
Yes, hope you would like it. I know that there are old friends and new friends who come to visit our live show. For those new friends who haven't known us before, our sales manager, Sandy, could you please give me a brief introduction of our factory?
Yes, of course. Our factory is committed to produce high-quality home appliance accessories, PCB control boards, motors, and solar energy products.
And we have a strong R&D and production team, more than 10 years of R&D and design experience, and a number of independent intellectual property rights and invention patents.
Also, we have more than 2,000 square meters of office space, a comfortable working environment, and a professional sales and service team of more than 100 people. And when the COVID-19 is past, you can come to our Guangzhou office to take a visit. And let's turn the camera to our office. Everyone is working very hard, trying to offer the best service to you. We have established a number of home appliance accessories factories in China. The perfect after-sales service and the fast delivery made the company's business cover all over the world. We have much confidence to tell you that our factory, Sunchonglic factory, has already become the leader of this industry.
What's more, we have our own factories and logistics centers of more than 20,000 square meters and successfully developed a modern and scientific logistics information management system, which provides great convenience for customers to deliver their goods safely and quickly.
We also have a number of professional production lines from production to assembly and then to the inspection of finished products. Every step is strictly checked to ensure product quality.
After the previous introduction, I believe that you must have a certain understanding of our company. And hey, my sister, do you know what are the main products of our company, Amanda?
Yes, of course. Our main products are solar energy products, washing machine PCB, fan motors, and we have display in our sample room. Dear Sandy, could you please show us the sample room to our audience?
Yes. Alright, here we go. The first product we want to show you today is the solar energy products. Our factory manufactures power inverter, solar controller, and battery chargers for over 10 years. When the development of the economy, more and more people are interested in solar energy, especially in the Southeast Asia market. Amanda, do you know why?
Is it because these countries have long daylight hours?
Yes, exactly. What about Amanda? Do you know something about it?
Yes, I know that the solar energy can be used efficiently Solar energy is free. We can collect it from the sun and convert into electricity. Moreover, it is environmental friendly to use this kind of energy because it will not cause pollution to our living place.
Alright, let's take a closer look to the background. From the left to right, here we can see have a hybrid solar inverter. What difference between these two models? This one is with MPPT controller, and this one is with PWM control. What's the model number? With PWM control is FPS, and with MPPT control is model number FMPS. They have a 3 kV and 5 kV. If you want more high-bit power, you can contact us. Our factory can make it. And another one is for the low frequency hybrid inverter. This model number is FPL. And now we still have another new and hot sale item. It is very, very popular.
Yes.
That one is the solar pumping inverter. Here, solar pumping inverter.
Solar pump inverter is very, very popular in the application of farmland irrigation, desertification control, and so on. No external storage battery is required, which is widely used in the wild.
This model number is FPV 100.
Yes.
And they still have many power from
2.2 kVA, 4 kVA, 5.5 kVA, 7.5 kVA, and so on.
Yes. So now next we can introduce for another model. It's for modified inverter and pure sun wave power inverter.
And here are some modified solar inverters, pure sine wave inverters,
And here are our charger. And this is our solar controller. Can you see it clearly? Later we will show you their details. Yes, I know some of you have been in our broadcast room before and take a visit of our main product, solar products. But some of you maybe not come to our broadcast room before. So today we will show you our broadcast room, our very famous solar products.
Yes. Hey, Kathy, do you know
Yes.
what series do we have for modified solar inverters?
Oh, you mean the solar power inverter? Yes. Let's show the inverters to the camera first. Can you see clearly? So as you can see, the inverter is easy to carry. It's very easy to carry, and the quality is very good. Yes, it's very good.
So this one is FA series.
Yes, 350 watt.
And this one is FFA series.
Yes, it is modified inverters. And for our modified inverters, we have FA series. Okay, let's take a more closer look.
FA, and this one is FFA.
Yes, FFA. We also have two more series. Hey Amanda, could you please help me? Help me. Let's check the FTA series and SDB series. Yes, thank you very much, Amanda.
It's okay.
Yes, and we also take a closer look at this.
As you can see, this one is FTA and this one is SDB.
They all have they all have screen. This are screen. How you can see it? The screen can show you the battery, the power, the load. Yes.
And here also have the USB.
Yes, USB
Yes.
protection. The switch, the fan.
And the cooling fan also have.
Yes.
Okay. And we also have other
Yeah, thank you,
models.
Amanda. Oh, I want to say more details about SDB and FTA. FTA have LED screen. Yes, this is LED screen. And for SDA and for SDB, this is LCD screen. That is two different screens. Their function is very similar, just the screen material is different. And for the SDB, for this SDB, it can not only show you the battery, and also it can show you the power of the loading, of the loadage. And now let's see the pure sine wave inverter.
What series do we have for pure sine wave inverters?
Yes, our pure sine wave inverter have the first one is FPC series. It is very popular. It is very popular among our customers because the prices is good and the quality is also top in the market.
Yes.
Yes.
And it also built with the USB.
Yes, you can see it's USB. Actually, it has 12 volts, 24 volts, and it has from 300 wattage to 2000 wattage.
And I know that we have a popular new product.
Yes, yes.
Do you know which
Yes.
one is it?
This one FFU is our new popular product. Today we bring it to our live blogs room to give you have a look. Can you see clearly? So you can see from this inverter the link, pure sine wave inverter with UPS function and charger function. This one is 1000 wattage. And to be noticed that this one also have battery reverse protection. Yes, let's take a look of this side. Yes. And the other side. Yes. As you can see, the quality is also very good because it is a little bit heavy. Sorry,
Yes.
we are hard to
Handle it.
yes.
And how about the battery chargers? What kind of battery charger do we have?
Our battery charger is listed on here. So you can see some of those have screen on it. Some of this have no screen. This one would be a little easy
To carry?
Yes.
Easy to carry.
It's very light.
And this one is the plastic shell.
Yeah, plastic cover. And this, you can see the colorful one is the golden cover.
Yes.
For the golden cover, it is blue color. Yes. Thank you, Amanda.
It's okay.
So you can see this one, full 30 amp. Please attention, it is full amp. And the other side, It look like this.
Cooling fan.
Yes.
And you can select the charging color here.
It has it has many function.
Yes.
Okay.
And how about the solar controllers?
I want to say more details about this. As for the golden charger, it has DC. It has screen, and and you can choose the amp. You can choose the amp of the charging. And now let's take a look of the solar charger controller. Amanda, do you know what type of solar charger controller we have?
As I know, we have PWM and MPPT solar controllers.
Yes, normally we have two types of solar controller. And for the difference of the PWM and the MPPT, it has two different. That is for PWM, its efficiency is 70%, but the MPPT, the efficiency, it can over 95%.
And this model is all for PWM.
Yes.
And this one is the model FTS, and this one is the model for FTC series.
Yes, for PWM, we have two series. One is FFS. Okay. FTS. And the other one is FTC. For FTS, we have 10 amp, 20 amp, and 30 amp. And for FTC, we have 10 amp, 20 amp, 30 amp, 40 amp, and 50 amp, and 60 amp. And for MPPT, the ampere can be from the 30 amp to the 100 amp. Yes, you can see.
And also built with the screen.
Yes. Amanda, do you know why our products color are green?
Because so it's environmental friendly.
Yeah, very good. Good girl. And our products color is very sharp, so you can easy to identify from the market. That's all of our inverters products work.
All these products are made by our factories.
Yes.
If you want to know more details, welcome to come to our broadcast room.
Just now, we have introduced our washing machine PCB and some washing machine parts. And now, as you can see, we also have washing machine motors. It is very hard. Yes, the quality is very good, and the price is also very good. Yes, this is washing machine motors. Thank you, Amanda. And Amanda, do you know what the other motors belongs to?
These fan motors?
Yes, this is fan motors. Do you know why we are going to talk about this?
Because the weather is so hot these days.
Yes, exactly. You know, the summer is coming. The weather is getting hot, and the fan is becoming the popular products in our market. And the fan can be said to be a very common household appliances in our daily life. So fan motors are very popular product throughout the year.
But how can we distinguish so many fan motors?
Actually, it is very easy. So, firstly, we can identify from the types of fan. Our fan motors are mainly divided into table fan motors, ball fan motors, and box fan motors. Usually, when the customer asks for fan motor, the first step we need to confirm what kind of fan first. And secondly, it can be distinguished by the thickness of motor stator. The common thickness of stator produced by our factory is 40 mm, 16 mm, 18 mm, 20 mm, and 22 mm.
As I know, we can also distinguish by the wire of the material. As you can see, this one is the copper wire, and this one is the aluminum wire. Generally, the copper wire, the price of this is higher than the aluminum wire.
By the way, the copper prices is getting higher and higher these days. So if you want our fan motors, please do not hesitate to give us inquiry. Please give us order fast, or else the prices of them will be increased. Yes, our fan motors quality are also very good. I know some countries have problems of the export, but don't worry, we can help you to solve this problem. Actually, we can divide it into separate parts. To be noticed that each of our separate parts comes from the whole fan motor. And our packing is also very state. If you are interested in it, you can contact us. We will show you some packing pictures of the spare parts. And last, we can distinguish by checking whether it has ball bearing or not. Ball bearing changes the friction mode of the bearing. It uses rolling friction to efficiently reduce the friction between bearing surfaces and make the motor run better.
Sandy, what we are going to talk about now?
Yes, next one we will introduce another part. It's for control board.
Yes. So could you please introduce what kind of home appliance PCB we have?
Yes, of course. Our factory directly made by many control boards, such as washing machine, air conditioner, induction cooker, lightweight furnace, and fans. Let me repeat again. Such as air conditioner, and washing machine, induction cooker, lightweight furnace, and fans.
And I see that in our background there are many washing machine board. Yeah, so we are going to talk about it. Washing machine board is very popular type in the market these days because in every family at least have one washing machine. So we believe that the washing machine PCB board is very hot sell type. Sandy, could you please tell me what kind of washing machine PCB we have?
Yes, of course. Let's look at here.
Okay.
Here have many samples.
Yes.
They are one of the most popular items for our factory. The first product we see is for the washing machine board. It can be divided into single specific board and universal board. Specific board refers to single blends and fixed type washing machine can be used. For example, Samsung and LG are the most popular brands.
Yes, and we see that our universal board is here. Is this free type? This is our universal 2200E type.
2200E.
Yes. By the way, the universal board means that almost all washing machines can be used. The universal board is also divided into automatic universal board and roller universal board. Yes.
This one is for roller.
And this one we call it 5200E. The model number is 5200E.
Yes.
Yes. And normally we have four types of universal PCB. The first one we just talked about is 220E. And the second one is Sandy what we showed to us is 5200E. And the third one is 4200E.
This one.
Yes. This one is 4200E.
Can you tell me what difference 2200E and 4200E?
Yes. 2200E is for normal. It's for normal type. It's for normal washing machine. This one 2200E is for normal washing machine. And what we said 5200E is 5200E. This one is for drum washing machine. And the last one we also have this touch type. This is 3200E touch type.
So that's it.
Yes, thank you very much. And then we will continue to talk about another universal board of our factory.
Please look at here. Here are the air conditioner control panels. Most of them are universal, easy to install, good price, with good performance. Generally, air conditioner is divided into two types. The single coolant and co-heating. They have a different number. The single coolant number is U07PG plug. U07PG plug. The heating code is U09PG plug. U09PG plug. Finally, we can see the fan control boards SCL FBO1, SCL FBO1, and SCL FBO2.
Yes. I hope you can see clearly. So Sandy, what's the main difference between the two fan boards?
Yes, the biggest difference between them is the FBO1 can be used for coolant fans, which is a special function, and FBO2 can only be used for ordinary floor fans, table fans, and the other fans. The other functions are almost the same.
Okay, I know the weather is getting hot and the summer is coming, so
Yes.
I believe that these two products would be the hot sell type in the market in these days. Okay, so all the PCB mentioned above are the main control board produced by our factory, our own factory.
Yes.
And if you have other PCB requirements, you can send pictures to us. We can search for you according to your sample. And we also have another popular product of our factory, that is fan motor.
Now let's take a look at the sample room here, which is included with other electrical appliances. This side have wide electric spare parts, mainly including microwave spare parts, rice cooker spare parts, water dispenser spare parts, induction cooker spare parts, water heater spare parts, air conditioner spare parts, refrigerator spare parts, washing machine spare parts, and the other for the fan spare parts, and so on. All the appliances and spare parts have a good quality and nice price. Now we can see on the other side black electrical spare parts, including TV spare parts, adapters, tools, power supplies, AV cable, soldering iron, and so on. All of them both have good quality and good price.
After a brief introduction of our factory and products, I think you have learned as well. For more details, please visit our website to get the latest information.
Certainly, you can also add our WeChat. This is our WeChat. You can scan it. This is our Facebook. This is our WhatsApp number.
Yes, during the Canton Fair, we will offer certain discounts. Do not miss it. Do not hesitate to give us a call. Yes, nowadays, the situation of COVID-19 is getting better, so you can also come to visit our bloggers room when you are free. In the end, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks for your support today. Thank you for your coming.
If you are interested in our products and talk today, please do not hesitate to contact us and give us some hearts. Looking forward to our further cooperation. Have
Have a good day. Bye-bye.